Man, don't even watch this video. Don't even watch it. I want you to click off this video right now, and I want you to go get a pencil. I want you to get a sheet of paper, and I just want you to start drawing. You don't need me to tell you why you should start drawing, bro. You don't need it. Go pick up that pencil, my boy. Go pick up that pencil. That's the video, bro. Bro, why is you still here, bro? I'm not about to say nothing else. I'm not about to say nothing else. Nah, I'm just playing. What's good, everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name is Mr. Salt, and today I'm gonna tell you guys why you should learn how to draw, because it's the best thing ever. Nah, but in all seriousness, yo, you should really learn how to draw for real. You should really learn how to draw for real. Quit playing with me, man. Look, quit playing with yourself. Go get you a sketchbook. Go get you a couple pencils, even a mechanical pencil, a pen, whatever you feel like you comfortable with. Just learn. Nah, but for real though, it's been about a year since I started learning how to draw, and never would I have thought that I'd actually enjoy it. Even learning, I love learning about like art stuff. That's what I spend most of my. I think I learn more about art stuff than I do actually drawing like original stuff, because I'm like super beginner, so I just want to try to learn a lot. And I came from a pretty unrelated background. I mean, you can relate it. You can relate art and drawing with every background, to be honest. But I came from a background from technology. I have a degree in computer science. But being able to learn how to draw actually helps me even more in my field, just being able to visualize my ideas a lot better. Like, just bear with me for one moment here. Just think about it. You have an idea or a thought, and just having a small, minute understanding of how to draw, you can actually bring this idea and thought more into fruition just by creating a simple sketch. It doesn't even have to look pretty, but it's the fact that you have a simple sketch that means you have something to work towards, you know? So I got to exercise, you feel me? I want you to close your eyes. Actually keep them open, because you're going to need your eyes for this. And visualize that subscribe button, and then move your hand to it and click on it. Please, just please do that for me. Thank you. Oh, my bad. I was just waiting on you to hit that subscribe button. I was dead ass. Go click that. Go click that. Go click it. Go click it, bro. Go click it. Go click it. Click it. No, but all jokes aside though, drawing really gives you a different type of fulfillment that I really can't explain what it is through a video. Like, you're just gonna have to experience it for yourself. Like, if you truly want to experience the fulfillment that you truly get out of just drawing, you have to learn how to draw. You just got to do it. You got to do it. And once you really start making things that you, I mean, I'm at the stage now where I say about every couple drawings I somewhat like. You know, not every single drawing is gonna be a banger. That's the one thing you got to get out your head. Not every single drawing you do, you're not gonna like it. I got tons and tons. Look, I can show y'all a bunch, bro. I got tons and tons of ugly ass drawings that's just sitting in my sketchbook, but no one has to see that. That's the beauty of it all. No one really has to see it unless you want to show them. If you want to show them, by all means. And that's the beauty of it all. It doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter what career field you in. It doesn't matter what you even want to draw. All that really matters is that you do it, and that you're gonna get fulfillment out of it. I promise you. If you don't, I'm gonna give you a free punch right to my jaw. Look, but I'm gonna weave your shit along. And the biggest thing, it doesn't matter what you draw. You can draw apples, oranges, flowers, trees, hell, even pornography. Shit. It's a market for that. It's definitely a market for that in prison. It's a huge market for that in prison, I promise you that. All jokes aside though, I do not want to go into the comment section of this video and be like, but mister, I don't have any talent for drawing. You know what, bro? Don't make me go get my belt. You know what? I'm finna go get my belt. I'm finna go get my belt, bro. Say it again. Say you ain't got talent again. Say it again. I dare you. You got one more time to say, I don't got no talent for drawing. You do. You don't need it, actually. Ain't no such thing as talent with drawing. Cut! Hey, for real though, this was just a quick video trying to convince y'all, stop sleeping on yourselves. Go learn how to draw, please, for me. Spend at least a month. Just a month. Just learning how to draw. Just the basic fundamental stuff. And if you need a special place on where to go, what direction, you have zero direction, and you're trying to really learn, drawbox.com. I am a drawbox.com stan. I love the course. It's literally what I use to get a lot better. Like, I started from absolutely nothing, and I feel like once I actually sit down and study a subject, I can draw it. But you know, I'm still really early in my art journey, so I got a lot to learn. But it's still fun nonetheless, even though I'm so extremely early into my art journey. But I have years and years to go. So I got a link in the description for drawbox.com, and if you guys are interested about drawbox.com, I do have a video on that called My Experience doing a 250 box challenge. Little shameless plug there, you know. Ooh, that was so good. Gotta slap my neck for that one. Anyway, thank you all for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't let me tell you again. Do you need me to go get my belt again? I'll go get it. I will go get it. Anyway, deuces.